82-year-old Trilokinath Ganju has braved the turbulent period of militancy. He chose to stay in Kashmir even when nearly 2 lakh Kashmiri Pandits fled 20 years ago. Having performed puja for the first time at the newly reopened Puran Raj Bhairav temple, Trilokinath feels an immense sense of relief.
It was a long, big storm after 20 years. Storm is over. It smashed us. But it has not totally annihilated us. We are again alive and our culture is taking a new life.
In the 90s, both the communities faced tremendous onslaught due to militancy. But with now good atmospheric prevailing, the Kashmiri Pandits are back again and reopening temple after temple, thanks to the support of the local people.
The Bhairav temple, once a militant trouble spot, reopened after some local Muslims alerted the Pandit community about a land mafia's plan to usurp the worship place. In fact, they even helped arrange the sindoor and diyas for special pujas and in cleaning up an ancient spring.
Everybody wants to open the temples here around the valley, so they are our brothers, and they will come and they open the temples.
In fact, Trilokinath's neighbor Sanjay Tikku has taken it upon himself to reopen such temples which fell into disuse 20 years ago. With the help of locals, the Kashmiri Pandit Shankar Samiti, founded by him, has revived 34 such temples.
These centers will become now the peace and reconciliation centers, and there will be a joint managing committee because state government failed to protect these temples for the last 20 years.
As the bells toll on at the Bhairav temple, it seems Kashmiriyat, as Trilokinath says, has survived the storm. With Mufti Islah in Srinagar, in New Delhi, Achit Punekat.